Hey, what is the number one thing you need in order to finally do that thing that you've always been dreaming of doing, or that thing that you really know you need to do and you want to do, but you're scared to do? The number one thing that you need is self-belief. Self-belief, self-belief, self-belief. And I don't mean self-confidence. I don't mean off the charts, like having it all figured out and even being 100% feeling like a badass. But you do need self-belief. This is the thing I run into more often than anything when talking with clients, when talking with friends, when talking with anybody, whether it is them wanting to finally leave their marriage, to finally start the business that they have been dying to do, to finally make that big move in life, to ask for a promotion or a raise at work. The thing that people run into the most is believing that it's possible and that they are valuable and worthy of having that thing. I was talking with a friend recently. I get a lot of people who come to me for business advice, a lot of people. And talking about business is one of my most favorite things in the whole wide world. And it doesn't have to be just that you're starting your own business. It can be that you are working for a company that you want to grow in and get paid to be your brilliant self in, right? The number one thing that people run into is like, I have this dream. So I was talking with a friend. She has this dream. It's a beautiful dream. It's an amazing dream. She's been dreaming of it for years and years and years and years. And she's finally starting to take the steps to do it. And as we're talking, the thing that comes out, and this comes out every time I talk to anybody about wanting to make a big change, is I don't really know if I can walk into that room confidently. I don't really know if I can sell this confidently. I don't know if I can ask for the promotion confidently. I don't really know if I'm worth it, right? I know that I'm worth it, and I know that I'm really good. And we start talking about it, and they're just like naming off all the ways in which they are fucking dope. Badass dope, right? Like, you got this. Like, you've been in this industry for 20 years. You know exactly what you're doing, and now you want to start your own thing. You've been brewing your kombucha in your basement for the last 5 years and selling it to your friends. You know what you're doing, right? You have been event planning for your whole life since you were a little girl. You know what you're doing. You are so capable. And as they start talking about their capability, they're just like, yeah, right? But then you get down to that point where it's like, but how do I ask for it? And how do I sell myself? And how do I get in front of the people who I want to get in front of and have the confidence? Because really, it's confidence and self-belief that helps people buy into what we're doing, whether it's a product or whatever. And even if it's, like I said, I used the example of leaving a relationship, right? Or divorce or that kind of thing. You have to believe on some level deeply that you are capable of taking care of yourself outside of this relationship, right? So here is a practice for you. And this doesn't mean that you have to be 100% confident before you start the thing. Connect with your desire, connect with your dream every day. You've been connecting with it every day already. And so now that you're ready to take action, really, really connect with it. Hold that vision out in front of you and be willing to start small. The thing that really undermines a lot of people when they are going after something, their dream, finally going after their dream, is they think it has to be this huge, big thing, right? It has to be huge and big. But it doesn't. It doesn't have to be huge and big. When I first started Stay With Yourself over almost 9 years ago, I was like, I'm going to be an author and I'm going to be a coach and I'm going to be on stages and it's going to be huge, right? And that was actually blocking me from moving forward because it was so big, right? And so when I released those things, needing to write the book and needing to be a coach and needing to do all the things, and I could just start with the one thing, I just started with storytelling, and then it moved into teaching meditation, and then it moved into coaching, and now people are telling me I should write a book, right? But it's years, and you start out small. So anyway, we're starting to get some street noise. I'm Jessica Amos. I'm a mindfulness and meditation teacher, a life coach, and the founder of Stay With Yourself, which is the practice of being who you are, where you are, and I help people just like you who want to step into their dopeness, their badassery, connect with their radiant self so that they can have the self-belief required to really, really live a life of their dreams. Oh my God, so fucking exciting. Yeah! Okay, I love you all. Bye.